Hi guys, I always say that if a tree falls in the forest, it's real. If you hear it fall, it's real, it's right there. Whether other people perceive it the same or different or tell you it's not real, doesn't matter. You see and hear the tree and it's right there. Now, what do you do with it? Do you still just say, there's another tree, there's another tree, there's another tree? Yes, it is absolutely imperative for you to see the trees that have fallen, that are falling around in your life right now. And then to know what the hell is going on. That's how you actually learn. That's how you face the shadow, by seeing it, not by saying, hey, just look the other way or just reframe it in another sentence. Yes, all of those are helpful tools, but not to the detriment of you actually seeing the crap. You actually seeing what is really going on right now. And instead of having another bullshit video of so-and-so says this and so says that, say, I'm dealing with a fallen tree. Right now, maybe you need to pick the tree up. Maybe you need to find out why trees are falling. It's all metaphorical. You need to go inside right now and uncover all the lies, all the bullshit, all the conditioning that is in you. And then see it reflecting, because you will start noticing it, how it reflects around you. Now's not the time to either sugarcoat or just become lame. Now's the time to pick up the spade and the shovel and start digging and start questioning and start looking at all the bullshit. And then to say, now what? What's the next step? It's a constant process of looking at the crap and then what's the next step? That's how you roll out of this mess. I love you. You're all warriors. That's what we are. We're warriors. Warrior with an A. I love you. Have a very good day.